afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
I want to buy banana.
Huh?
I need banana.
You want to buy?
I want to buy banana.
Okay. How much banana?
How much is it?
Okay, banana.
Is it not banana you are selling?
Okay. Banana.
Banana 2,000 naira.
Okay, you want to buy banana?
I want to buy banana. It's not banana you are selling. Give me 2,000 naira banana. Madam, are you lost?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, let me see now.
Banana.
Is it not banana you are selling? How much is this one?
Is this real?
Yes, of course, it's real.
Wow.
Am I the one that creates myself? It's real now. Do you like what you see?
Okay, you want to buy banana?
I came here to buy
I
banana.
like what I see.
So you like what you see? Are you sure you can handle it? Are you sure? Turn around, let me see. Let me see what you're carrying.
I can handle it.
But you're the only one in the shop now.
Don't worry. I'll come back.
What about your mother?
Don't worry. I'll come back.
So you mean you can follow
I
me?
can follow you. Even the banana. I don't want to banana.
Free?
Free.
Okay.
But you mean this is real?
This is real now. This
Very
is real.
real.
It's real.
Let's go.
You like what you see?
I like
Are you
what
sure you can handle
I
it?
can handle it.
Oh,
Look
you-
at me. Look at me now. Look at me. I can
Oh,
handle
your
it.
package is too much. Oh.
I can handle it.
Oh, your mother is not in the shop.
Don't worry. She is my mother's banana. Don't worry.
That is where I live. That,
You know what? Give me your number. Let me just pack my mother's banana. I'll come. But this is real.
is real. That's my number.
Thank you. I'll come and meet you.
You come and meet me at home.
I'm following you. I'm on your back now.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. No. No.
Regardez ce qui va se passer ici.
I won't withdraw.
So,
I need some cash. Why they laugh? Give me cash now. Why you laughing? Don't you like what you see? Why are you laughing?
what is this?
This is the way God creates me now. When I'm doing this thing, I give me cash. Why are you confused in the shop? Yeah, I'm sure.
So you need that much?
2,000 naira.
2,000.
Be fast. I'm heading to somewhere, please. Come on, do my this thing. I'm heading somewhere. Am I confusing you?
I'm telling you, I'm confused. Jesus Christ. What is this? Is it free for what?
Okay, if you don't have cash, just give me my card. Just give my card.
I like what
You like what you see? Okay.
No, don't look at your hand. Pick up.
You like what you see?
like
Are you sure you can handle what you see?
I like it.
You want to feel it? But you are your business shop now.
Doesn't matter.
But give me my card. If you don't have cash, give me my card. This is the third time you are asking me how much I need. I want to withdraw.
Want to be
2,000 naira, madam.
2,000. Are you sure? Or I should give you 2,000.
If you can touch me, that would be good.
Neighbor.
Okay, Chuku. How you doing?
Neighbor. Nah, I get good news. I swear. You don't
Really?
understand. You don't understand.
My money don't fall.
Okay, when don't come.
Neighbor.
Hey. Neighbor, get what I want to tell you, self.
Brotherhood.
Neighbor, where is nothing? Who they call me, self? Hello? Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Wait. Where is neighbor? Neighbor. Hey. Neighbor. Neighbor. What do you mean of this now, neighbor? Hey, neighbor. No, I don't go good today. Neighbor. Neighbor, what's me this one now? Babe, what do you mean of this now?
Babe, you don't understand. I'll talk to you later.
No, neighbor,
I'll call you
what do you
later.
mean of this now?
I help her to change her engine oil. Is it my fault?
Neighbor, what do you mean of this now?
You have been bringing different people home, so I said I should help you with this one.
Neighbor, no, like what this thing.
You carry have what I have.
Look
Look at what you have. Look at mine. Is it the same?
So is that how we do? They treat me like this? Any girl I can't go, we all a knocker.
It's not my fault now. You saw that she followed me.
Neighbor,
I know use rope drag her inside. Now look my stuff. Look at yours. Work on yourself. Sorry, sir. Please. Thank you.
I don't know. Do any crazy thing that will make this video to go viral. My cameraman no come location today. I no get video to post. Anything crazy that will make this video to go viral.
Okay.
You won't come on your trouser. Anything. I don't know. You dey remove your. I don't understand. I don't know. You show me your breast. You can't give me your bra. Wait. I don't know your bra. Now, Krika, they smell Krika. You never hear of me.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay, let's go. I'm not doing it. How far now? Where are you going? Okay.
Where's my slippers?
Let's see if I.
My slippers.
You find your slippers?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Where's my slippers? The only that is in this place. Where's my slippers?
I don't understand how. But we are here together now.
Where's my slippers?
I don't understand. Babe, which can't type this one now?
Now you may you did this place, so where's
now.
my slippers?
I don't understand. Who
Wait. No,
wait.
Sis, where's my slippers?
Babe, stop now. If not, just stop her now.
So you are
we are here together now.
You are a thief now, Abi.
Mike,
You are a
your friend
thief.
again.
Okay, where's my slippers? Where's my slippers now? Where's my slippers?
Babe,
Wait, why you wipe her like this?
babe, what you just do now?
No, two.
Stay out of it. Wait.
Where is my slippers?
You just slap me now.
Well, I will slap you.
Why?
I will slap you. Where's my slippers?
Oh, I can't believe
Why
it.
you go carry her slippers?
Okay, you start of it now.
Why you go carry her
Stop your
slippers?
own. I beg, see. No provoke me. I beg, stay here.
Don't I beg,
Babe, I beg. I know your slippers now. I'm not with your slippers. But we are here together now.
Okay, you stole my slippers.
When? Okay.
I don't follow Shanti. Where's my slippers now?
I'm not with your slippers.
Abi you no carry
This one
slippers
I
come
don't have it. I'm
outside.
waiting.
You know where slippers come outside?
Stay
They
out of
accuse
it.
her. They blame
Stay
her.
out of it.
They blame her.
Babe, wait.
Where's my slippers?
I know your slippers. Okay, wait. That bag where they are, I'm not even there inside.
What
You
did
know
it
they check the bag now. I don't know now.
You see, you owe your slippers.
I didn't know now.
You owe your slippers. They blame her.
You are accusing me of
How
owning
your slippers finish your hand?
I didn't know. You slapped me. I didn't know. Slippers. And so wait.
I
How does slippers take you short?
I can't believe this.
Come here, come here.
Leave on front. Give me a tip follow front. Give me a tip follow front.
Where are you?
Oh, go my son.
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus, my brain want blow.
It's okay. One more.